This is 2022 AMC 8. We will start from number 11. Number 11. Henry the donkey has very long pieces of pasta. He takes the number of bites of pasta each time eating 3 inches of pasta from the middle of one piece. So this was 1, the beginning, and he had 3 inches here, and now we have 2 pieces. So each pieces he has 3 inches here, and now we have 4 pieces, and another 3, 3, 3, 3, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he may has another 2 more. So we don't know, here maybe, and all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he bite 9 times of 3 inches to make 10 pieces. And now the remaining parts here all together is 17 inches. So we can tell 17 plus 3 times 9. So 27. So all together 44. Arrows on the 2 spinners shown below the spawn. Number n equals 10 times the number of spinner A. I did the number on spinner B. So n is perfect square number. Okay. So 10 A plus B should be the perfect square. So actually this is the number of the digit number. So this is tens and this is unit number. So for example, do we know any perfect square number start with like a 2 digit and start with 5? No. 7, 49, 8, 64. So we don't have any 5. So we have 6, 64. And so we need to have from A, from B, we need to have 6 and 4. And 8, 9 is 81. So 8 and 1 and no more. We have only 2 cases for making perfect square number from those spinners. So from spinner A, we need to get 6. And at the same time, we need to get 4 from spinner B. So this 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, because this should be happens at the same time. 1 over 16. Again, same. This also 1 over 16. But we can have this or this to make the perfect square number. So 2 over 16, which is 1 over 8. Number 13, how many positive integers can fill? One positive integer is more than twice another. Okay, so x and y. So x is 2y plus c, let's say. And x plus y becomes 28. And x and y are positive integers. So we can put it here. X is 28 minus y. So 28 minus y becomes 2y plus c. So y becomes 28 minus c. So this is y. But at the same time, we can consider the x. So if we put x here, then x equals 2y plus c, so 56. Oh, did I make something wrong? So x equals 28 minus y, and we have 2y plus c. This is 3y. So y is 28 minus 3 over c. So this is y, how we express and we can make x. When we add them together, we need to get 28. So x, what is 3 times of 28? 84. 84 twice 56. So 384 minus 28 plus c. So we need to find the c, which makes makes 28 minus c and 56 plus c, both multiple of 3. So let's say if c is 1, it can be, the multiple of 3, when we think easily, you can add all digits together, and if it is multiple of 3, that is multiple of 3, which means, for example, 1, 1, 1 is multiple of 3. 1, 1, 1, 3, multiple of 3, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 is multiple of 3. So this is easy way to identify the multiple of 3. So 1 is okay, and 4 is fine, and just I made 24, and 21, 7, 56 plus 7 is 63, which is fine. 10, 13, 16, is it 16? I keep making 3 more numbers. 16, 72, yeah, that's fine. And 19, 22, 25, but we cannot make 28 because it makes y 0. So we have 9, C. So 14. Because here we cannot make any negative number of C, I think, because it says how many positive integers. So maybe X and Y and C, all of them should be positive integers. And in how many ways can letters be arranged so that 2 or more E's do not appear together? Okay. So let's take out E. Only B, K, P, R. Oh, we have 5 E's. 2 or more E's do not appear together means all E's should be away. So let's say B, K, P, R. They can be anywhere. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So anyway, B, K, P, R, the number of arrangement is 24. And because we have 5 E's, so we can put E's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have only this way to make them not to be together. So I think there's only 24 ways to arrange to satisfy the condition. Number 15, online to shop in ons, so weight and price dollars. So how is the weight of the pepper that offers the lowest price per ounce? So lowest price per ounce. So, so for example, if I make it if I calculate the slope, this one, because the low price per ounce means price per ounce weight. So price per weight means y over x. Y minus 0, x minus 0. This is equivalent. It's the same. Which means actually that is the slope. it means a slope from between origin and that point. For example, like this slope is the price per ounce. This slope, all of those slopes are price per ounce. Let's see. So weight of the pepper. So I think this is the lowest slope in this case. So price dollars, that is 2.5. But this is a 2.5, but we need to find, weight of the pepper. So 2.5 is the answer. Oh, but there is no 2.5. Weight. I need to find the weight, which is 3. 4 numbers are written in a row. Average of first row 2 is 21. Average of the middle 2, 26. So x, y, z, w, let's say. Then x plus y over 2 is 21, so x plus y is 42. Middle to y plus z becomes 52. And z plus w becomes 60. And it is asking about x plus w over 2, actually. First and last, the number. So x plus y, z plus w, when we add them together, is 102. X plus y plus z plus w, 102. But y plus z is 52. So x plus w is 50, which means 25. If n is an even positive integer, a double factorial notation. Oh, the product of all the even integers from 2 to n. So this is only 2. So this is 2 times 4. This is 2, 4, 6, like this. Okay. So what is the unit digit of the following sum? Oh. So we will have only the last digit. Yeah, but after this, 2, 4, 6, 8, the next one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the next one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, something like that. So from here, all of them contains at least 1 10, So the last digit always is 0, always is 0. So no need to consider from 10 factorial. Let's forget about it. So we can calculate only first 4 for the last digit. So 2, only last digit, 8, 8, 4. So this is 2, only last digit. Is it? Yep. So that's it. Number 18. Midpoint of the 4 sides of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Okay. So midpoint. This was negative 3, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4, 0, 4. Actually, if this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The area of the rectangle, when we put them together like this is the half of the rectangle. Oh, and this was rectangle anyway. So now we can tell. So I think it's better to make the coordinate. So negative 3, 2, 5, 4. So 0, 4. So like this. So maybe the real one looks like this. But anyway, it's not our concern, because anyway, we will find the area of the red one and multiply by 2. The red one, as we can tell, it is parallelogram. So parallelogram, the base is 5 and the height is 4. The area of parallelogram is base times height, so 20. So now we have the rectangle area, which is 40. Mr. Ramos gave a test to his class, 20 students, and have this distribution. Median discovering error. One of the questions regarding the test awarding some of the students 5 extra points, some, not all, and which increased the median test score to 85. The minimum number of students who received the extra points. Okay, so at this moment we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 and 11. So this was the median, number of medians changed. No, this is the determine, where to determine the medians. So this is the one. So now it becomes 85. So if it becomes 85, 2 of them should be go together to 85. These 2 should be moved to here. Or one stays here and others, here stays go to 90. But this doesn't make sense because he cannot get 5, he can get only 5 extra points. He cannot get 10 extra points. So both of them should be moved here. So we can tell from these students, at least from these students, all of them should be go to, not all of them, only 4 of them actually. Like this 4, let's see. Move to 85. Then we will find the median of the, so 4. Because if only 2 goes there, it doesn't change anything for the median. But if 3 goes there, then the median is between 80 to 85, which is 82.5. So they should move together. So at least from here, they need to move. Number 20. Grid below is to be filled with integers in such a way. Some of the numbers in each row and some of the numbers in each columns are the same. Okay, so here, for example, 12. Here also 12. This should be 12. And this should be 12, and this should be 12. So now we can tell, let's say here y. Then this should be y plus 3. Because this and this should be together. Which means now this should be 12 again. Y plus 3 plus y plus 9 should be 12. 2y equals 0, y equals 0. So let's say 0 and 3. Then x should be 4. Then but why it is smallest possible number? Maybe I made mistakes. Number 20, grid is to be filled. Sum of the number is row and column, not diagonal, or same. 4 are missing. So here we can tell this is 12. So here it should be 12. Let's say we can call it y. Then this one should be y plus 10 to make x plus y plus 8. X plus y plus 8. Make them together. And here x plus 1, x minus 1, to make x plus y plus 8. So for example, like this. So here, again, x plus y plus 8. So everything now, x plus y plus 8, which remains, should be 12. So x plus y should be 4. So now we want to know x plus y plus 8. So now we want to know smallest possible value of x. So for the number x in the lower left corner is larger than the other 3 missing numbers. So in this case, we have the largest number, which is y plus 10, I guess. We don't know yet. So y plus 10 should be smaller than x, because x is largest. So x plus y is 4. And we want to know x, so y is 4 minus x. So when we put here, 4 minus x plus 10, x, 2x, 14, x should be larger than 7. So 8 or 9. So let's think about other options. Let's say x can be 8. Let's say if x is 8, so just a little bit confusing. Feed with integers such a way some of it numbered in each row. Because 8 we already have here. Yeah, but it makes sense because if 8 or 9, we still have 9 here. So if x is 8, y is negative 4, 6, and 7. So all of them satisfy the situation. So 8 is the largest among 4 missing numbers. And we satisfy all together, which whose sums are all 12. So 8. So if we did 6, let's say, just to check, y is negative 2, yeah, then this becomes 8, which is larger than x. Okay. So number 21, Steph scored 15 baskets out of 20 attempts, 10 out of 10 second half. Okay. 12 first half, 18 attempt. Okay. Steph scored higher percentage of baskets than Candace. So 15 over 20 is larger than blank over 12. And 10 over 10 larger than 18. Makes sense. And each half, surprisingly, they ended with the same overall percentage the basket scored. Let's say this x, this y. Then altogether, out of 30, he succeeds 25 steps. And here, out of 30, x plus y. Somehow, overall, this are same. So x plus y becomes a 25. And now let's say, but x should be smaller than 9. Y should be smaller than 18. So how many more baskets the second half than in the first half? So which means y minus x. What is y minus x? So let's think about it. So y minus x Anyway, it is, we don't know at this moment. So x plus y 25, y 25 minus x, let's put it here. So y 18, no, I mean 25 minus x. So x should be larger than 7. Okay. So x is 8. Y equals 17. So now the difference is 9. Bus takes 2 minutes to drive from one stop to the next, and wait 1 minute at each stop to let passengers board. 5 minutes to walk from one bus stop to the next. Okay, so let's say this is the first stop, this is the second stop. Then reaches the bus stop, the bus is at the previous stop or has already left the previous stop, then she will wait for the bus. Otherwise, she will start walking toward the next stop. Suppose the bus and Zia start at the same time toward the library with the 3 stops behind. After how many minutes will Zia board the bus? So now we don't know. And this is a library. Bus is 3 stops behind. Let's say bus was here and Zia was here. So let's see. She takes 5 minutes to walk. In 5 minutes, this was arriving here. Because this was takes 2 minutes and 1 minute here and 2 minutes to go, just arrived. So when she looked back, it is like a 2 step away. So she will not wait. So again, she continued to walk 5 minutes. So this takes another 1 minute and 1 minute. So now Jia is here. 2 and 1 minute. Now this is 4, and in the middle of here. So when Jia looked back, still the bus is not in the conditions Jia is waiting. So Jia start to walk again. 5 minutes. So from here, already 1 minute. So 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes. So 4, and waiting here. Bus now takes 1 minute here. So Jia will wait here. So another 2 more minutes, she is waiting to get on board. So now 5 minutes. She is walking 3 stops. To decide to wait the bus, so 15 minutes. But another 2 more minutes, she need to wait to get the bus. Or I don't know how to make this as an equation, but I think this is easier way to think over. So let's go to 23. 3 by 3, okay. How many configuration will have 3 and 3? 3, okay. 3 in a line and 3 in a line. Oh. So in this case, only now triangle is in a line. So a little bit confusing. In a line doesn't contain a row or something. So anyway, let's consider only line, like a vertical line first. But I think it will also, we need to consider a horizontal line too. But anyway, vertical line, we have 3. Out of 3, we can fill with triangles 1 line. So the whole triangle line, the number of places is 3. So we have 3 options. So if we occupy here, then we have another 2 filled with the 3 circle in a line. So for the circle lines, we have 2. So now we have 3 by 2. But let's say, so now we have here like this. So here, this is the empty space with the 3 cells. But now we have only 3 triangles in a line, 1 line, and 3 circles in 1 line. So here should be not filled with all 3 at the same line. So we need to make different ways. So like this, or like a 2 triangle and 1 circle, or we can make 3 circle, like 2 circles, 1 triangle. So like this. So we have 6 different ways of filling the remaining line. So 6. So this is 36. But we can make this same way of configuration with the horizontal way. So this is the exactly same arrangement with horizontal. So I think this is 36 and another, times 2, so 72. But let's see. Three triangles in a line and 3 circles in a line. Six, 3, 2, 6. I think that is 74. 72. There's no 72. Because in a line, so we are not sure whether only 1 line, right? So we cannot make 2 lines. That's why we consider these different variations. Triangles, circles. Let me think about it. Still confusing for this question, but I think maybe this is including with 1 same line and 2 different lines, because we don't have 72 here. Because in A line and in A line, so I said only 1 and 1, but maybe. Anyway, let's say, because now we have 3, we can decide which one have 2 lines, like 2 triangle lines and 1 circle, or 2 circles with 1 triangle, for example. So let's say, for example, this one, we can make three different cases, like a circle, triangle, 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 circle, triangle, 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 circle. And also the vice versa. Circles and one triangle and two circles. This also make triangle, circle, 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 triangle, circle, 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 triangle, three different things. So now we can only the vertical cases, as we consider this 36, we can add another 6 cases here, which is 42. So 42 cases is the only vertical arrangement. So if we make the same arrangement with 90-degree rotate, this can be horizontal arrangement, exactly same number of arrangement. So it's gonna be 84. This is the only way we can consider. Number 24. Polygon, looks strange, but anyway, rectangle and right triangle, blah, blah, blah. So when we fold those here, then triangular prism. Okay, suppose AHEF and GH is 14. What is the volume of the prism? Okay, this looks difficult. So this should be 8. So this one, maybe it looks like this. It looked like a tent, maybe. So let me try to draw like this. And here, right triangles. The right triangle INJ here. And IFC. NCB, BJG. But when we fold them together, we need to think which one matches together. So I think FG and FE, they need to meet. So G and E, they meet together. And E and D goes to J, D. So now E, F, D, E, F, D, and I. Yeah, now I made it. So the other A, B, J, H, when we fold them, BC need to meet BA. So C is A. So BC, J, and I meets H, like this. So let's say HJ is the same with here 8, here 8. HJ is here, same like DI or DH. DI is 8. Oh, so this was a square actually. It looks like a square, but yeah. So this was 6. And now we can tell the base is 10. So the area of the base, no, actually this is easier to find the volume as the base of here and height with DH. So now we know DH, which is JH, is 8. So height is 8. So here 6 and 8, like this. So the base is 6 times 8 over 2 times 8. This is how to find the prism volume. So now 24 times 8. Number 25. Cricket randomly hops 4 leaves. Other 3 leaves, equal probability 1 over 3. After 4 hops probability Cricket has written to the leaf where it starts. So there are 4 notes, A, B, C, D, leaves. So let's say we start from A and finish from A. Then we can start from A, and the second hop can be anywhere out of B, C, D. And the next one can be anywhere out of A, B, C, D, but maybe it's gonna be different because if we reach B, we cannot go to B anyway. And the next one can be out of A, B, C, D, but the next one should be reached at A. So if we need to go to A, even we have options here, we don't go there. I mean, we need to exclude that option. So from here, let's say, I think there are like different options from there. I mean, this is first hop, second hop, third hop, fourth hop, like here. So for now, from the first hop, we can reach anywhere out of 3. Let's say if we reach B, after that, we can reach anywhere out of 3. But because after the second hop, it's going to be different probability because of A. So let's divide the case to different one, which reaches A after second hop or not. So after the first hop, we reach to A. So there's only one option. And from A, we can reach any of B, C, D, so 1 over 3. And from there, we reach just A. So this is 1 over 9. And again, the first hop, we can reach anywhere, B, C, D. And after that, we can reach anywhere but A. So if we reach B, let's say, we have options A, C, D, but we reach only C or D, which is 2 over 3. So let's say if we reach C, then we have options A, B, D, because we are already on C, but we don't go to A. So we have 3 options, but we select among 2. And we go back to A. So 4 over 27. So we include A or not. So 7 over 27.